So I'm easing back into the program with some beef burgers. I'm only going to have 3 of these today, obviously, but I'm not going to waste a whole tray. So the thing of it is, these whatever machine cranks these out needs to be adjusted, and I'll have to wait till I flip them over to take those little bits of paper off. But no big deal, just seasoned with salt and pepper and in the oven. First side at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes, and then I flip them and do 20 to 25 minutes on the other side. Easy peasy. So I got all dressed and stepped out the door, and the wind is so high and chilly, although the temperature is 6 degrees. The wind makes it bitter, and I walk for pleasure, and this is not pleasurable. So I turned around, came back inside, took the garbage out, so it wasn't a total loss. And I just popped some meat patties in the oven. I'm going to go upstairs and get into my jammies and play some World of Warcraft and get those videos going. I put out a video this morning on the first episode. It took me a while to get my screen capture program going, or learning it, because, you know, me. And I think that's what I'll do for the evening. There's not even enough laundry to do. So it's going to be a very short, boring video today. I'm sorry. I did find my outdoors card, so I put that with my paperwork to go to Service Ontario for my license sticker and get that wrapped up next week. And yes, there is fishing, and it's the Clairville Conservation Area where I went yesterday, FYI. Other than that, till next time.